Welcome to our lesson on the importance of IT fundamentals in cybersecurity. This foundation is crucial for your success in the field and will guide our exploration today. As we learned in previous lessons, technical skills are essential. Networking basics and operating systems are two key areas that form the backbone of cybersecurity knowledge. Networking skills are vital for troubleshooting and securing systems. Understanding protocols allows you to implement effective security measures, which are essential in the cybersecurity landscape. This quote highlights the essence of IT fundamentals in cybersecurity. Remember, these skills are the building blocks of your future success in this field. Next, let's explore operating systems. Knowledge of Windows and Linux is critical as they are extensively used in enterprise environments and servers. Linux skills are particularly important for server management. Proficiency with the command line and understanding its security features are vital for your cybersecurity toolkit. In addition to operating systems, familiarity with cybersecurity tools is crucial. Firewalls and antivirus software are essential for protecting networks and systems from threats. Hands-on experience is vital in applying your knowledge. Creating lab environments and simulating real-world scenarios will enhance your learning and prepare you for actual challenges. Let's recap the key points we've discussed. IT fundamentals, including networking and operating systems, are crucial for a successful career in cybersecurity. As you move forward, continue exploring IT fundamentals. Further learning and obtaining certifications will help validate your skills and strengthen your foundation. In the real world, IT fundamentals play a crucial role in cybersecurity. Understanding these skills will prepare you for various challenges in the field. This quote emphasizes the importance of mastering IT fundamentals. It truly is the key to unlocking your potential in the cybersecurity career path. There are many resources available for further learning. Online courses and reading materials are valuable tools to deepen your understanding of IT fundamentals. Engaging with the community is also important. Joining forums and attending meetups can provide valuable networking opportunities and support from peers. In conclusion, mastering IT fundamentals is essential for your cybersecurity career. As you continue your journey, remember these key skills and their importance. Thank you for joining this lesson on IT fundamentals. Stay curious and keep learning as you progress in your cybersecurity career.